Welcome to our tutorial on ProvideInject with default values in Vue.js 3. Let's start by initializing our Vue application with Vue Create App. This line sets up the foundation for our Vue app, and we will now proceed to define our components. We begin with our child component, defined using app component. Here, we use the inject option to receive a theme property from an ancestor component. Notice the default field set to light. This ensures that if we don't find the theme being provided from a parent, we fall back to the default value, which in this case is light. The template simply renders the theme in a div. Next, we have our parent component. Within it, we've defined a provide function that could return an object with a theme property. This is the mechanism by which we can supply the theme value to any descendant components. However, as you can see, the theme property is commented out to demonstrate that our child component can work even without it by using the default value we set earlier. Finally, we mount our Vue app to the DOM element with the id app. This is where our app will be displayed. Now let's see what happens when our app runs with the current setup. In the browser, the child component renders with the text theme, light. This confirms that our inject mechanism is working correctly and the default value is being used, because the theme was not provided by the parent component. Now let's simulate a scenario where the parent component does provide a theme value. If we uncomment the line theme, dark, the child component will receive this value instead of the default light, and the rendered text will change to theme, dark. With the theme uncommented and the application mounted again, our child component now correctly displays theme, dark, demonstrating how injected values can be overridden by the provided values from parent components. This flexible system allows for powerful patterns in Vue.js applications.